Solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary Feast Day, December 8th. The Radiant Dawn, a tale of the Immaculate Conception. Once upon a time, in the quiet town of Nazareth, nestled amidst rolling hills and olive groves, there lived a young woman named Mary. Her life was humble, filled with the everyday joys and challenges of a simple existence. Little did she know that her destiny would soon be intertwined with a divine plan that would shape the course of human history. It was a brisk morning on December 8th, a day that held a special significance for the faithful. The town was abuzz with anticipation and reverence, for it was the feast of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary. The townsfolk gathered in the local church, adorned with lilies and candles, to honor the extraordinary grace bestowed upon Mary by the Almighty. The parish priest, Father Gabriel, stood before the congregation and began to recount the sacred story. The Most Blessed Virgin Mary was, from the first moment of her conception, by a singular grace and privilege of Almighty God, preserved immune from all stain of original sin. As Father Gabriel spoke, the congregation listened with rapt attention. They marveled at the notion that Mary, a young woman of their own town, was chosen by God to be immaculately conceived, her soul untouched by the stain of sin. The depth of this divine love and grace left a profound impact on their hearts. The church bells rang out, filling the air with a melodious chime, as the faithful continued to celebrate this great mystery. Amidst the scent of incense and the soft glow of candles, they contemplated the pure and obedient heart of Mary. She had said yes to the angel Gabriel when he delivered the message of God's plan for her, echoing the words, "Let it be done to me according to thy word." This simple yet profound act of surrender to God's will resonated deeply with the congregation, for it was a reminder that they too were called to respond to their unique vocations, just as Mary had. Each person's life had a divine purpose, a mission prepared for them since the dawn of time. In the quiet of their hearts, the townsfolk pondered the words of the prophet Jeremiah, "Before I formed you in the womb I knew you, before you were born I dedicated you, a prophet to the nations I appointed you." They realized that God's knowledge and love for each of them, like Mary, was profound and intimate. As the feast of the Immaculate Conception drew to a close, the people of Nazareth left the church with a renewed sense of purpose and a deep reverence for the Blessed Virgin Mary. They knew that her life was a beacon of hope and an example of unwavering faith. With hearts full of gratitude, they embraced the truth that, like Mary, they too could respond to God's call with humility and trust. The Feast of the Immaculate Conception had not only celebrated Mary's unique grace, but had also reminded the people of Nazareth that they were part of a divine plan, intricately woven into the tapestry of creation. As they returned to their homes, they carried with them the radiant light of faith and the knowledge that, in God's eyes, each and every one of them was deeply cherished and called to fulfill a mission only they could accomplish. Certainly, here's a message you can use to recommend subscribing to a YouTube channel, send blessings in the comments, and share the video on social networks. Glowing star, what a beautiful and inspiring video. I highly recommend subscribing to this channel to receive more blessings like these. Let's share the love and spread the message of the solemnity of the Immaculate Conception of the Blessed Virgin Mary together.